Oh, hi. Yeah, I'm back. So, oh, there's one thing I wanted to report here. I did try, before, looking at some other discs in the same box that Pac-Man came out of, and that was the disc that was making every disk drive not work. So, I'm not going to test any more discs in that box right now. Because I can't clean... Oh, hello Sheldon. Sheldon's right here. I don't think you can quite see him. Anyway, what I'm going to do now, because I'm here and the drive is open and I can, is I'm going to clean the head on the drive that the door wouldn't open. Sorry, the flippy thing was screwed. And then I kind of broke it. Well, I didn't break it. I just took it apart and I don't know how to put it back together. And it seems that Sheldon wants to help. Okay, Sheldon, no, you're not getting up there. Okay, so I just cleaned the head. Thank you, Sheldon. I cleaned the head on the drive that's not happy, and I'll let that dry. And I still have right here the top of the 1541-2, along with all the pieces of the door closing mechanism, which you would think is very simple, and I suppose it is, but I need to get my glasses, and I suspect I need to open up another 1541-2 and have a look. So I will do that. So I'll be back. So, oh, by the way, for cleaning this disk drive, I did take one Q-tip. I wet one end of it. I gently rubbed it upon the head. You can lift the top head thing up, or the thing that would be above the head, lift it up ever so gently, don't reef on it, and very gently rub the head, and then I very gently dried the head with the other end. So anyway, this drive, even though the flippy thing won't do its thing, although, you know, I should be able to figure this out, but you know what? I need my glasses. So, enough. Be gone. See you again.